In this video, we will show you how to using YouTube Create to edit the video. Google or YouTube has been released the application on Android smartphone called YouTube Create. The application is small but powerful to edit the video, especially if you are content creator on youtube.com. To get the YouTube Create, you need just open your Play Store here. Then type YouTube Create. Okay, the YouTube Create is here. In here, this is the YouTube Create. When you do not install yet, you can click install button, but I already installed this application. Then we can click update. The YouTube Create is many advantage. It's free, no watermark, and it's powerful to edit the clip or video. To start using the YouTube Create, you can just click open. It's still beta, but it's very useful. I already tried several times to edit the video. You can add video into your project on YouTube Create by clicking this button. In here, I already import one video, so I just click this video. And this is, you can see the features on YouTube Creates. There is half overlay, text, sticker, sound, voiceover, caption. And I will show some basics features in here. For example, we can split the video. After we adjust video duration like this, we can split the video by clicking this icon. And you can see there, we can also undo if we think it mistake. Okay. After that, we can see again, we can also delete the video by clicking this icon. Okay, the split also already menu here. You can using this menu also to split the video. And let's see, we can add also filters. Okay, just click filters in here. I will show you. This is the filter. Okay, you can see the effect. I will try one by one. And after that, we can see if we done, let's play using this button. And that's the filter. Okay, now let's see something again. For example, using effect, I will split again the video. So you need to click this video to activate it, the timeline here. And you can click split here. And let's see, we will add the effect on this video. Let's click effect. And this is some effect. Okay, you can see there. Wow. It's cool for free version of video editor using YouTube Create. You can see there is the effects. And let's see what is in the adjust menu. I will split again this timeline, so we can using a short video to edit or to see what the menu. And this is the adjust menu, content, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, white point, and another adjustment. Okay, there is also saturation in here, skin tone. Okay, it's very let's see what is opacity. Okay, nothing. Maybe if we use opacity is for overlay video. Let's see using saturation in here. Okay, this is the saturation, it works. And brightness, for example. Yes, it works also. Okay, we can click done after that. And this is in the adjust menu. And for the speed, this is, of course, you can faster your video. For example, 2 times or 3 times or whatever you think it's perfect for you. After that, we can click done. And you can also adjust the volume in here. Okay, maybe you want to mute for this short video. You can doing like that, or you can make the volume higher or lower according to your need. And this is for audio cleanups. And let's see, audio cleanup is turn on, tap again to turn off. Okay, this audio cleanup will automatically make your audio in your video is clearer. And this is for the rotate. Okay, pins to crop and rotate your media. Okay, we can pins like this, for example. Let's see what happens if we click done like this. And we can also replace the video with another video here. Okay, for example, you want to replace, you can just click this, and you will see there is many video on your gallery. You can replace with some. I don't want to replace. And this is the powerful features from YouTube Create. We can rearrange our video position. This feature is I don't see in another video editor, especially the free. Okay, the rearrange is very helpful. We can adjust the position of the video. For example, I will drag in here for the last part. You can see there, it's very helpful. Okay, also I will try to like this, and after that we can click done. Okay, and we can also duplicate the video. After you are done with your video, you can set aspect ratio and export your project. This is the aspect ratio. You can select the landscape, portrait, or 1:1 here, and you can click save. After that, you can click this button and export your video using high quality or using standard quality here. There is just the option. For example, using standard, then we can click export. It's very fast also when rendering. And that's all tutorial how to use YouTube Create to edit the video. Hope this video helpful for you.